Hello there, guys. We got issue. We have this problem here. Check rear brake light, and the service light is on again. I've changed the front one just this week. Now, the one at the back is gone now, so I'm going to change it. Okay. It's very hard to see which side. So I went into a car park and there was a shop with big glasses. So I reversed there and then I pressed the brakes and I look with the mirror to see which side, doesn't work. So I know it's the driver's side. So I'm going to attempt to do it. I hope it's very easy. It's not like, I have to remove the covers and all the stuff. So let me just go back there and see how it is. Right, so as you can see, this one is on and then that one is working as well, but this one doesn't work. So I have my little helper in there to help me to do it. So this one here doesn't work and this they work. So I'm gonna just open in here. See, so it's the one on this side. So I'm gonna figure out whether we need to remove this stuff because it doesn't have screws here. Normally they will have screws here. In Prius you remove them from here, so this one doesn't have. So maybe somewhere in there. Let me figure it out. Right, it's like, I don't know, it's like you remove this thing and somewhere in there, I don't know if you'll be able to see that nut there. You remove it, I think, yeah, that nut. I will remove it and see if this thing will pop out. I'll just keep filming. Right, it's this one here. It's number 10. So now there is a hole here. If this falls in there, you're gonna have a very bad day to get it out. So my advice is put a jacket in here so that it fills this pocket, so that if it falls on top of that. Okay, or just gamble like I did. So, but be careful there. Let me see if the light will come out. Right, it is. You have only one nut, this one here. Then this thing just kind of pops out like so. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Right. So I think this is the cable. You can clip this. How do you do that? Just unclip this. So you just pull it. Now let's see what we have here. Oh, more screws. So you remove these two as well. Right, these are out now. The two. One was here, the other one here. So just put them there. I think this, you pull this up like this, then this will pop up. So this clips. There's another one here. There's another one here. I cannot do this with one hand, so this clips. Push them like so. Right, there it is. That's how it is. And this is the one we are interested in. As you can see, it's a bit dark. Others are just fine. So this is the one we're interested in. 2 elements inside and at the bottom. Somebody recommended I check this to see if it's 2 elements. They said if it has 2, this kind of aluminium kind of thing here, it's a 2 element. If it has 1, it's 1 element. So it's a 2 element bulb. So I'm gonna get one and put it in. Right, it's in now. So I'm going to hook the electrics at the back here and see if it works before I put the whole thing in. Right, there it is. Now it's working. So this side is working, the one here at the top is working as well. My helper is back there again. I don't know if you can see him, the little helper. Right, the little helper has gone back in, so we're putting this back in. There's a seal that goes around this. Make sure that it's in there properly. You put it in there properly. I think this is for dust and water. I really don't know why these bulbs keeps going. It's really annoying. So then I'm going to take this thing goes like so, and then push it down to the clips. Yeah. Well, one hand not a good idea, so I have to push it. Just press it down, okay? Good, secure. So the nuts, these, they go back in. Chop, 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 chop. Right, secure. Clips are all holding this. So the light is now going back in. Now look, this is my emergency kit. So I've taken one bulb here for the front, the daylight, and this is it. So I have to go buy 2 of them so that I can always have this, spares in here, because I hate it when I'm looking for bulbs and I cannot find anything. So this is the one that we took from the front. This is the one I just took out, so I'm going to fill it in. So the light is going back in now. Secure, just push it in nicely, align it. Then we're going back to putting this in, this little nut. You have to be very careful again. There's a pocket in here. If it falls in there, you're going to have a very bad day. Right, it's very secure now, so we're putting back this little flimsy thing. You just push it in there and right, done. Now I'm gonna take this as a sample. This I'll put in the bin. Close these, put them back in. This is my emergency bag. I bought it from AA when we were going to Poland. So it's good. It has a triangle as well in there. So that's it. Now, what do I think about this setup here to be able to remove bulbs? I think they made it too complicated. That nut, they should have made it in such a way that you can remove it with your fingers. You don't need tools. And the teeth as well, the Torx screws, I think that was totally unnecessary. They should do, especially with lights where you have to change bulbs, I think it's best to make it in such a way that you don't need tools. I can just use my fingers to just unscrew, change the bulbs, close it in and again, and unscrew and close them again. Because if I'm in the middle of nowhere and I don't have these tools, I'll be unable to change that bulb. It's dumb. So if it was for me, I would have just taken that little nut, make it a little bit chunky plastic that someone can just unbolt and screw. And then them Torx, which I don't know who came up with the idea of Torx. These things, they're very hard to find. Why did you just make a Phillips or flat, and then that's it? But that's how it is. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Okay guys, thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.